Hi, this is Anne Levine from Law School Expert. I wanted to give you some tips on how to take advantage of the rolling admission process because there is a slight advantage to people who apply earlier in the cycle. People sometimes misinterpret what that means. It doesn't mean you have a better chance if you apply in the first week of September. It means you have a relatively better chance if you apply in September or October versus applying in December or January, and especially in February. So when you're planning your admission cycle, if you take the July LSAT and decide to retake it in September, absolutely okay, at no disadvantage. Same with taking it in October. But once you start looking at the January, February, March test administrations, you start to be at a distinct disadvantage in the process because seats have already been given away, waitlists have already started. So you have to be a little bit more competitive to get an admission letter or a scholarship at that point. This is Anne Levine from Law School Expert.